Impacks is changing the way back-to-school shopping gets done in America. We work with public, private, and charter schools across the country to make back-to-school easy for families, educators, and school administrators. We do that in a few ways. We offer customized school supply kits tailored to each school we work with to save parents time and money. We work with schools and districts to help source school supplies in bulk quantities to drive down costs through wholesale pricing. We often work with businesses to host virtual school supply drives to create impact within their communities. We also offer innovative, curriculum-driven learning kits that promote curiosity and creativity in students. Impacts was started in the heartland of America, and our team has been focused on one thing since the start: create better classrooms through impact. If you're ready to have an impact on your school or district, let's start a partnership today.